Hello and welcome to PHHC 117W01, Exploring Physical Science, Physics and Astronomy. This is your instructor, Dr. Vasudevarao Aravind. In this course, we will explore the laws and principles governing our physical world. We will explore the world at an extremely small scale and also at the scale of stars and galaxies. In this video, I will talk about some important aspects of this class, including the weekly schedule and grading. Please listen carefully and email me if you have questions. We will be following the book Conceptual Physical Science Explorations 2nd edition. Please make sure you have a copy of the book before the course begins. You will need this book starting from the very first week of classes. There are about 3.5 weeks of classes. Week 1 will be from December 17 through December 21. Week 2 would be December 24 through 28. Week 3 would be December 31 to January 4. And week 4, actually a half a week, would be January 7 through January 9. The final exam will be on January 9, Wednesday. We will follow a general weekly schedule for this class. I will be assigning study materials for every week of this class. On Monday and Tuesday, we will read through the assigned study materials. On Tuesday, before 11:59 p.m., we will be required to make a post on the discussion board regarding this study material. In this post, we will write about 3 things that we learned, 1 question that we still have, and 1 response each to 3 different student comments. Similarly, study material will be assigned for Tuesday and Thursday. We will be required to make similar discussion posts based on this study material before the end of day Thursday. On Friday of every week, we will have a quiz on D2L that pertains to the study materials assigned for the week. This quiz will be available all day Friday and it's expected to be completed by Friday. In addition to weekly discussions and quizzes, we will have a term project for this course. The term project or the term paper, this will be due on Wednesday, January 9th. So for this, you will upload a 4 to 5 page document, single-spaced and font 11, into the Dropbox or the assignment section of your D2L page. This written document will be graded. This project will be an essay titled Physics in Everyday Life, and this will highlight the understanding of basic physics and astronomy that you have received as a result of this class. I would like you to take a few examples, about 4 to 6 examples of real life situations. For example, the situation could be related to your major subject, your hobby, etc., and explain the physics involved in such a situation. So coming to the grading aspect of this class, so first of all, there will be discussions every week, 2 discussions every week. So among these discussions, the 3 things that we learned will count for 15 points, 1 question that we still have that will count for 5 points, and 3 responses that would count for 5 points, so total of 25 points per discussion. And there will be 6 discussions because there are 3 weeks and 6 discussions, 2 discussions every week. So that would count for a total of 150 points for discussions. Weekly quizzes on Fridays will count for 25 points each. So since there are 3 weekly quizzes, that will count for a total of 75 points. The term group project, Physics in Everyday Life, that will count for 100 points. And the final exam, which will take place on the final week of classes, that would count for 100 points. So overall, we will be graded for 425 points for this entire course. Letter grades will be assigned as appropriate. So the tentative letter grades are 382 to 425 out of 425 will be an A grade. Between 340 to 381 would be a B grade, 297 to 339 would be a C, 255 to 296 would be a D, and below 255 would be an E grade. So good luck and let's make it a great class. At any point of time, if you have questions, please feel free to email me.